I just wanted to show the new Equinox Malibu and Terrain piggyback tuners. These are really awesome. You just pretty much set whatever aggressiveness you want and it does all the adjustments for you. You can also add the diverter, the upgraded one, and the Super Cruze's wastegate for more boost and better throttle response. And this is the upgraded billet turbocharger. These 4 items together with the cold air intake produce crazy good horsepower, and the awesome thing is it can all pretty much be unbolted in about 30 minutes. Hey everybody, I'm going to get straight to the point. This is the 2.0 Super Cruze's wastegate for the Terrain, Equinox, Camaro, and Malibu 2.0. And this is the billet 2-liter OEM replacement turbo. This is slightly larger and features a 6+6 billet impeller. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on this turbocharger how to change a wastegate on your 2.0. It's pretty much going to be the same installation as one that would be in your vehicle, and that's why I figured I'd just show you how to do it on this. Okay, so this is pretty simple. You're going to want to pull this clip off. You can actually do it with a flathead unless you have, you know, the special tool for that. Okay, I'm throwing this into the video. This is one of the 500 horsepower Super Cruze's 2.0 turbos. It has a clip on it that pretty much most of the engines will have, but sometimes there's a different type of clip, but I just want to show you how to do this one as well. This is a C-clip, and what you want to do is take a magnet. Any kind of magnet's fine. You want to take the flathead and put it at the end of the clip, and you want to take the magnet and put it next to the clip, and then use the magnet to catch the clip. That way it doesn't fall into the engine bay. You can pick these up at Home Depot or online. They're really cheap. Okay, what I'd like to do is the preload's already set for you. Just pull it over so it goes onto the peg the correct way, and then tighten the bolts down so you make sure it's straight. It's a pretty simple installation. It has a lifetime warranty, and it pretty much can be installed, I'd say, in about 15 minutes with basic hand tools.